I made this how to read stock market charts for beginners video in Korean, and it has over 130,000 views. I'm telling you, this video has value. People love this so much. So I decided to make one in English, the better version of this video. I have over 4 years of experience of investing in both stock market and cryptocurrency market. And I shared my experience of making profit using my strategies. If you are a beginner who wants to learn how to read stock market charts, you want to watch this video until the end. Because in this video, I'm going to share 5 best technical analysis for beginners that helps you buy low and sell high. Hey guys, I'm Jade and welcome to $1 Million Challenge. And your time is important, so watch this video faster. As you know, I recently decided to become a millionaire by making money online. So on this channel, I will document everything that I do to make money online and share the results with you. 1. MA Cross. Let's go to tradingview.com, search a company, and click full featured chart. Then you'll just see this basic candlestick charts. So we're gonna go to indicators, then search MA Cross. And then you're going to add MA Cross. Then you'll see 2 lines here. So the red one, the line closer to the candlesticks, is the short-term moving average line. And the green line, the line that is further away from the candlesticks, is the long-term moving average line. And for MA Cross, all you have to know is Golden Cross and Death Cross. Golden Cross is the cross where the shorter moving average line crosses up through the longer moving average line. And when this happens, the trend and price will likely to keep increasing, so it's a good sign to buy the stocks. On the other hand, the death cross occurs when the short-term moving average line trends down and crosses the long-term moving average line, so basically going into the opposite direction than the golden cross, which means it's likely to go down further. So when you see the death cross like this, you might want to consider selling your stocks and maybe buy them later after you see the golden cross. That's just one of the way of trading. So a golden cross suggests a long-term bull market going forward, while a death cross suggests a long-term bear market. 2. Bollinger Bands. When you search and add Bollinger Bands, you'll see 3 lines like this with the green belts. So there's the upper band and the middle band, then the lower band. So as you can see, the candlesticks are moving inside this band and moving along with them. So when they are moving in downtrends closer to the lower band, and when they go up and break this middle band, and now it moves closer to the upper band and the price starts to increase. So just think of this band as a magnet. For example, when the candlestick goes up and break this upper band, they tend to come back closer to the upper band and also the middle band. When the candlesticks go down further, breaking the lower band, they tend to come back up closer to this lower band and also the middle band. So when they break out of the bands, they tend to come back inside the bands, just like a magnet. But nobody knows how high or how low the bands will go, so I usually set the middle band as my standard point. So basically when the candlestick breaks the middle candle and goes up, I buy here. And when the candlestick breaks the middle band and goes down, I sell. That is just one way of doing it, and I want you to find your own way to make your own investment decisions. 3. Ichimoku Cloud. When you add Ichimoku Cloud, you'll see some red clouds and green clouds. And this one is really easy. When the candlesticks cross the cloud and go further down, you'll see the bear market like this. And when you see the candlestick crossing the cloud and going upward, you'll be able to see some bull markets. And as you can see, when the candlesticks are above the cloud, that means it's in the bull trend. But when the candlesticks goes down and go below the clouds, it means it's in the bear trend. Are you still watching? If you're still watching, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And please let me know in the comment below the one indicator that you like. 4. RSI. When you add RSI, the Relative Strength Index, you'll see the separate chart below the main chart. And for RSI, it simply tells you the stock is overbought or oversold in the current price. So when the RSI is at over 70%, the stock is overbought at the moment. It doesn't necessarily mean that the price will go down, but you probably don't want to buy stock at over RSI 70%. So I personally try not to buy stocks that RSI is higher than 60%. But when the RSI rate is at below 30%, it means that stocks are oversold. So you might want to consider buying the stock at this point. It doesn't necessarily mean it's the bottom because again, none of this is financial advice and nothing is reliable 100%. For example, as you can see in March, during Corona pandemic, after the RSI went down to lower than 30%, the price still went down further than that. I love RSI and I use it to know when to buy and sell, but all of the indicators are just indicators. They can help you understand the charts better, but they are not magic tools. So let's keep that in mind. 5. MACD. MACD is Moving Average Convergence Divergence. When you add MACD, you'll see a histogram and 2 lines. So the blue line is the MACD line and the orange line is a signal line. So the histogram shows you the uptrend and downtrend. For the uptrend, the histogram turns green and it goes above the baseline. But during downtrend, the histogram turns red and it goes down below the baseline. And for these 2 lines, it's really similar to the MA cross, the golden cross, and death cross. So when the MACD line crosses the signal line and goes upward, you'll see the bull market. And when you see the MACD line cross the signal line and goes down further, you'll see the bear market like this. So a lot of traders use this MACD golden cross as the entry signal. I studied a lot of indicators for over 4 years now, and in my personal opinion, those 5 indicators were the most helpful features for me. So I just wanted to share this information with you guys and I hope that this can help you guys as well. So these are the 5 best technical analysis for beginners and the basics of how to read charts in the stock market. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your time. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And I look forward to see you guys again soon. Bye!